In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing and replacing a front strut on a front-wheel drive vehicle. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for reinstalling our brake hose retaining clip and anti-lock wheel speed sensor cable mounting bolt. As you can see, my anti-lock wheel speed sensor has a hole for the bolt and a portion that goes over the lower strut mounting bolt. So we're going to want to make sure to get both of those lined up when we reinstall it. This is the mounting bolt. It's your typical lefty-loosey, righty-tighty kind of bolt. Let me go ahead and take and get it started by hand. Alright, just like so. I'm going to take my socket wrench and slip it on the bolt here, and I'm going to hold it aligned in its position while I tighten it down. That way we can ensure that it'll seat where it should be. The reason why they have this clip on there is to keep the wire from being rubbed raw on your tire. If it were to seat incorrectly, it's possible for that to generate enough slack in the cable that it will be able to rub on the tire when you corner. So you're going to want to make sure to get that put exactly back where it was. When it comes to the brake hose retaining clip, you're going to want to make sure that your hose is not twisted when you reinstall it. You're going to verify that it's not twisted if you can follow one of these lines all the way around and down to the caliper without the line actually twisting around. If this hose is twisted, it can retain hydraulic pressure. What I mean by that is the internal tube will be pinched and this brake will stay applied. The caliper will not be able to release the pressure back through the hose properly. That'll burn up your brakes, possibly damaging other things. I'm going to take and slip this into position, just like so. You want to make sure that it's firmly seated. Then you can take your retaining clip, align it with the groove, and tap it in place with a small hammer. Just like that. Give it a wiggle. Make sure it's there good. Alright. That is the proper service procedure for reinstalling your anti-lock brake wheel speed sensor cable bracket and your brake hose retaining clip.